Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hidden Gem Hunting by Vidyut Bhushas. Friends, today I will discuss about a company named Caplin Points. This company is looking too good to me. So first I will start with their website and writing that's looking very good to me. We choose to be different, and second one is we always took the road less traveled, and that has made all the difference. So, and after analyzing these companies in the product type and business in the business model and also the technicals, it's look like the same and it's match with their caption, and it's exactly match with their caption. We choose to be different and we always took the road less traveled, and that has made all the difference. So now let's friends, I will start with the technical analysis, and after that I will discuss about their business model and their and fundamentals one by one. Mm, Now see the chart of the Caplin points at the see here at the year of this is the year of the 2017. In they have given a high of the 776. And after that there is a 3 long years correction and it's reached to the 231. That means is almost one almost one third or 30% value of the top points. More than one third is a less than one third it's become, but after that it's a bounce back from here. And consolidated, see here give a top, and there is another top, and there is another top. All three tops are at the same level, and it's consolidating from the last year November 2009. November means it's consolidating from the last 6 7 months, and now finally it's break the consolidation. And with huge volume, we can see that their volume is very big in during breaking this consolidation, breaking out this consolidation. And now this is actually weekly chart, and see that is only 3 days of the week, and then see 3 days of the week it's equal to the whole week of the last week. So we can imagine the how much volume here associated with the week. So and see here it's during this downtrend, in it's continuously respecting this 10 line every time is a touch and this 10 line, and see and again correcting. Every time it's touch the 10 line and again correcting, and with correcting with the higher highs and higher lows, and trend is totally at the down. We can see easily the trend is down here. And see here it's broke the trend line, which is the indication that trend is a trend. This downtrend is end, and new trend, and then new trend maybe start. So that trend may be sideways is also, or maybe uptrend also. Oh, until unless in giving the higher high, we can't conclude that it is a new uptrend has started. See here, it's crossed the last high here, and comfortably goes trading above these last three highs, this high, and this high. So wherever it will give new high, it will be higher high compared with this high. So we can, and we all know that we always got the higher highs is at the uptrend only. So we can see easily conclude that it has changed its trend here. So and this is all about the technical, and obviously I use weekly chart here because I will have to analyze this chart. Obviously we will have to start from the starting of the downtrend. So I start the 10 line, drawing the 10 line start and to cover whole the trend. And see here this downtrend is end here, and after and obviously it's consolidating from here, and it's now is at simply consolidating over the consolidation zone, which is a signal of the higher highs, higher highs. So I can tell conclude that it's already started its new uptrend. But it's obviously at the market nothing is guaranteed. nothing is guaranteed. Every time, any time, your analysis may go wrong. So always you will have to play with a stick stop loss. So where we will have to put the stop loss? See, now to put the stop loss, obviously we will have to find out where the actually breakout zone is. See here at the 370 level given a one top, at the same level given second top, and at the same level given the third top. So this is the main resistance and zone during this consolidation. And so and always as always we are always putting stop loss 3% below of this register this breakout level. Breakout level. So what is the 3% in of this level? So let's calculate 3% in of the 370. 370 into 0.03 is the 11.1 rupees, or we can say that it's 11 rupees. So 370 minus 11 is a almost 569. So I will put a stop loss of the 569. Obviously my stop loss always L, or as always it will be weekly closing basis. If it will close weekly closing basis below 569, then I will exit from the stock as per my technical analysis. Now obviously some will discuss about some fundamentals. Mm, First we'll discuss about his business model. See, this company is mainly a pharmaceutical companies and making the final medicines, and obviously equipped with a very good research team, each having four facilities to all over the India. One is Pondicherry, I think, and another two is at the Chennai, and they having another one plant at India. So Caplin Point Laboratories is one of the fastest growing mid cap pharmaceutical companies. So just for an overview, which is I got from their website, Caplin Point Laboratories is one of the fastest growing mid-cap pharmaceutical companies in India. Company holds over 2,800 products licensed across the globe, with the dominant position in Latin America. That means they having a dominant position in Latin America. Top line of the company in 2010 has become the bottom line in the 2016. So with this only one line, you can imagine what is the growth rate of this company. So whatever the top line of the 2010, it's became the bottom line of this company at the 2016. And always they are following the debt free business model, and this is the benchmark of receivable. And company now they are right now still now they are doing their business at the Francophone Africa and South Africa. Now they are entering into regulated market like US, EU, Brazil, Mexico, Australia. And with the state of art manufacturing facilities for injectable already approved by EU GMP, and Visa and US FDA. So you can imagine now till now whatever they are see this type of fasting growing rate, but they are claiming that this company's 2010's top line became the bottom line in 2006. So you can imagine the growth rate. But this type of growth they achieve with the Latin American market and African market, but they are entering into the regulated market like US, EU, Brazil, Mexico, Australia. So you can imagine how their top line and as well as bottom line will grow in future. So and we all now uh, see now their business three pillar of their business I got from the now I am going to the uh, their annual report. Then, as per their annual report, there are three pillars of this business: rewarding their people in acquiring subsidiaries in Latin America and strengthening the presence in Francophone Africa. So just from their annual report, what I can understand that maximum companies are of India is focusing in the business to export and mainly in the USA or USA or EU or mainly for the regulated market. They are always chasing behind the regulated market, but they start their as per their websites. I start at the starting. I told that they always choosing the different ways. So they here also they choose the different ways. They first made their presence at the Africa, Francophone Africa, and South Africa. By actually, there are many countries, but with the consistent quality and changing in nature, they now very good capture. They having very good capture at the Francophone Africa and South Africa, and also at the Latin America. They are using different business model. They are actually they are making partners the local companies, so they at the and actually they local companies know the market better, so they are acquiring or becoming partner with the local companies. So for this view they made Caplin Point. And say then 2018 they made a new subsidiary in Salvador, and expected to do so in two other countries in 2019 and 20s. That means their business they are already they are continuously taking new subsidiaries, and also they have planned to take in new subsidiaries at the another two countries of the Latin America at the 2019-20 years. So you can imagine here their also business is consistently growing. So at African market, they are with the consistent quality and consistency and means competitive price, they are continuously increasing their business. And Latin America, their business is different, and they are continuously acquiring subsidiaries is at many countries, and they are growing. And here also they are growing their business with their injectable products and liquid products at the regulated market also. And there are some facilities at the EU approved and USDA approved. So you can imagine after few years, and obviously you can that much growth that what they are claiming. They are claiming that at the top line of the 2010 became the bottom line at the 2016. So we can imagine with this type of business model, they will obviously will be consistent with this growth rate. Now I will discuss about at the last time I will discuss about their balance sheet. And obviously see their ROC is 48.53. Can you imagine this type of rows? And ROE is at 37.32. And also they are paying very good dividend. And now discuss about the some positive point. This company is debt free, and company is expected to give good quarter this quarter also. Company has good consistent profit growth of 65.81. Can you imagine this figure? 65.8 in over last 5 years. And company has good return on equity. Euro track record of 3 years is the 44.34. And see they with their peers, their ROC is the see their peer companies. ROC is the only average. See all companies average the 20 to 25, but they have been double compared with their peer companies, comparing with their peer companies. So now quarterly result only up to December 19 quarterly result is available. See the growth. The last year December 18 quarter having only 159 crore sales, and this year the 2009 having the 228 crore sales. And see the profit also increased from 44 crore to 59 crore. And see year after year, at the June 2011, they having only sales of the 81 crore. And see each and every year their business growing. How much at the TTM also from the 649 to 835. And profit also at the 2011 is profit only 6 crore. And now see the at the now in the 2016. Can you imagine? In this is a business within 9 years, their business is sales is 10 times, and they rightly claim at their website that their top line, see here at the June 2011 top line is only 81 crore, and see 17 March 17 their bottom line is 96, is more than 2011 top line. So you can't imagine the growth rate of these companies, really superb. And their profit margin, OPM, operating profit margin, is also means dream is more than 32%, and their equity share capital is very less, is only 15 crore, and see reserves also year after year increasing drastically, and only 3 crore growing, that is almost negligible. So I can say that this company's balance sheet is super. So first I can say that it's a downtrend already, as per technical chart is downtrend already end and new uptrend has started. So with the stop loss of the 359 in here, we can enter, and with the, obviously with the stick stop loss. And as per company's business model is superb, they're consistently growing at the Africa and consistently growing at the Latin America, with the very defined type of business approach, business model, comparing with the other companies, other pharmaceutical companies. And also they are still now they are not present at the regulated market, but they are entering in with the new products. So this is a completely superb business model, and their balance sheet also superb. So we can conclude that this is a very good, technically and fundamentally, with the both point of view, this company is superb. But friends, at the before completing this video, I want to share with you that I am not a savvy registered analyst, so I can't tell you to enter at this stock. So please use this my analysis for the only for learning purpose. If you want to enter at this stocks, please do your own analysis, do your own research also on the stock. So friends, bye bye. This is all about the Caplin Point. Please, I think you enjoyed my video. So if you think this video is good, please share this video with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and so that you will updated about my next videos also. Bye bye friend.